Hi everybody, Josiah here, also known as Chilling Silence, and we've got some fantastic news today, so we're going to dive straight into it. First of all, Crypto.com has listed DigiByte. This is really cool because you can purchase DigiByte with US dollar, euro, Great British pound, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. I gave it a whirl last night, which was actually really cool. Buying it from within the app myself worked brilliantly. One thing to keep in mind though, at the moment, you cannot withdraw it. I understand it is coming, it's just not there yet, so that's something to keep in mind. They gave a quick little spiel here as well about DigiByte, which was really cool, so big thank you to Crypto.com for listing DigiByte. Also, if you've been keeping up to date with 7.1, 7.3, and man, I hate saying that, but whatever, it's such a mouthful. It's coming. We've been doing the Gideon builds, the process there. Now, Gideon is a reproducible build process, which basically just means that between taking the code from GitHub and updating the compiled binaries, uploading the compiled binaries, that nobody's gone and tampered with it and messed with it and added in anything extra. It's what we do as part of all of our releases. And we've been doing that specifically yesterday. We're going through the final processes of that today, and so hopefully you'll see an update real soon. But this is it, version 7.1, 7.3. Again, it's going to be the foundation for version 8, and so hopefully we're going to start seeing things coming in pretty thick and fast. You can keep up to date by going to github.com/digibyte-core/digibyte, and if you change from the branch develop, you can actually scroll all the way down to 7.1, 7.3. It's my favorite thing to say in the whole wide world, and keep up to date there as well. So you'll see here we've basically merged a couple of the GPG keys. One of the things that you can actually do up the top here in the URL is if we go and we replace this part and we just type releases, you'll see here 2 days ago we've got this is ready to roll. You're going to see the binaries put up there very shortly, and we'll make an announcement on Twitter and Facebook and Instagram and everywhere else, and we'll tell people all about it and the things that we've changed and the likes. So that's super cool. Now, one of the things to keep in mind is that initially we won't have a signed Windows binary. We've never had one yet, but I did want to thank specifically the DigiByte awareness team for sponsoring the cost of an extended validation code signing certificate, which is pretty cool. So we're going to be able to get rid of those error messages that currently happen when you try to install it on Windows. Windows 10 pops up and goes, hey, this is from an unsigned source. We don't know who it is. Maybe we should not be running this. And you've got to go through a couple of extra steps. This is going to be cool because it's going to get rid of that. So it will be signed and it will have those error messages removed. One of the things that you can do is go to dgbat.org, come up here and click the menu button, and you can actually go down to donate. And yeah, here we go. So they've got a couple of their funds there. In particular, the development fund, I believe, is what has gone into this. So really grateful for the DigiByte awareness team for helping with sponsoring this. It's going to be great because not only will we be using it for the upcoming 7.1, 7.3 release, but also for DigiByte version 8. Like I mentioned, we've got the foundation laid here. Hopefully we're going to have some updates coming in pretty thick and fast now for DigiByte version 8. We'll be able to keep you up to date with that. Otherwise, again, head back to the GitHub. Let's click the back button. And up here, click on Watch, and it will email you every time there's some new changes and things, just to keep you up to date if you are curious. Anyway, that's going to be all from me for today. I hope you've enjoyed this. Consider leaving a like, subscribe, hit the share button. You can reach me on Twitter at DGB_chilling. Otherwise, I like to hang out in the comment section down below. If you do happen to have any questions, I'll talk to you in the next video, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.